I feel real like Tina Turner-ish. What you gonna do, Ike? Huh? Well, hello y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie RaShon. So today's video is brought to you by Jan Collection. They were kind enough to send me another unit to review for you guys. It's also Sip and Slay, and your girl has already been sipping because I had a real good week, okay? So right now I'm sipping on my water, but just know your girl, I'm a little leaning to the side, okay? So I had to hydrate real quick, okay? I've been drinking my water so much, y'all. I actually like it now, so you know. Go me. But anyway, before we get into this unit from Jan Collection in 2 colors, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a cut, I put that on guard when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with the mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, catch a break, better way. Oh,
Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from Jan Collection. It is from the Melt series. This is the unit Missy. I got her in 2 colors, but the first color we're going to talk about is the DR1B/DrkChoco. This unit does retail around, actually, I don't know. Hold on, let me check really quick. I think it's $30. Jan Collection Missy. I should have done this before I got on camera, but you know what? Okay, so we just gonna say under $40, okay? So you know, not too bad. This unit does come with lace from ear to ear, a deep center part, 2 combs on the side of the part, 1 comb in the back, and the adjustable straps. Now this unit is not big head friendly, it's more big head associate. I was having trouble putting this unit on my head with my wig grip, so y'all saw my install that I did take that joint off. If you plan on wearing this wig all day, go ahead and put some EBIN spray or got to be spray or got to be gel right here in the middle of your part to keep your wig stationary, because you do not want this joint slipping back if you have a big head and you are not able to wear your wig grip. But anywho, based on her card, this unit does have a natural deep parting space. I already talked about that. It also has a pre-plucked, pre-customized natural hairline. That's what it says on the card. Okay, it says it right there on the card. Pre-plucked, pre-customized natural hairline. And I would actually say this hairline doesn't look bad. The parting space though doesn't match the hairline in my opinion. I feel like they gave us a real nice hairline, but they missed the memo on the parting space. Like if you have a hairline like this, I expect the parting space to be a little bit more, bust it open, okay? Bust open the parting space, bend it out a little bit, like just make it match the hairline. I mean, I'm not holding it against you, Jan Collection, but you know, you could did a little something, a little bit in there, okay? Pollen, god dang. Anyway, outside the hairline and the parting space, this unit is gorgeous. I didn't cut not nair hair off this wig to shape it like this. All I did was fluff her up as you saw in my install and then shaped her around my face, and this is how we are sitting, y'all. Let me put my glasses on so I can make sure I can see what y'all are seeing, and what I'm seeing is a look. This looks good, y'all. This looks really good. I want my hairline though, I want my wig to be, hold on, let me fix my around my parting space. I'm bringing the hair forward like this. That's how I want the wig to sit. The texture of this unit is more on like a coarser side. It's not silky, but it's not yucky, but it is giving that signature Janet Collection hair texture, and I'm so happy that they brought that texture to this wig. I was hoping and praying this wasn't a silky wig. Thank you. Thank you. Like I said, I did fluff the curls up a little bit, and as you can see, they are pretty much staying intact. However, I do have some, like, you know, scraggly pieces like this one right here, but you know, it's giving realistic. You always have that one straggler with your rod set. See, that's what it's giving. So wait a minute. Yeah, now you're judging. Now you're judging. Now, if you don't like a curly wig, it's cool. If you don't like a synthetic curly wig, again, it's cool. Okay, do you. But for me and my dome, we gonna do this. The color is gorgeous. I've only tried this color in one other Janet Collection unit. It was the Janet Collection Kaja wig, K-A-J-A. So I had to try this color yet again, and I'm so happy that I did because it looks good. But we're gonna go ahead and try another color. It is the color, what is this? DrkChoco /SNKISS Brown. I tried this color, and I believe it was Janet Collection, I want to say it was Willow. And you know, I was pleasantly surprised with that wig. So you know, I'm gonna try it for this joint, this curly joint right here. I hope she look good, y'all, because if she don't, I'm gonna be You want to be 2 for 2? Let's find out. Let's find out. Ooh. Be right back. I mean, I for real need a touch up. This is the color. Okay, like I said, this is the DrkChoco /SNKISS Brown. So let me, hold on. The curly, I'm not quite sure about because that black is just, it's like it's too black. For this wig, I feel like it looks a little harsh, especially over here. This side, I don't feel that as much. Now, I did use my blow dryer on the top of the Choco Brown one, or the DrkChoco one, and you know, to flatten this out around here, but I did not use it on this one. I feel like maybe I should. Hold on. I don't know. I feel like the front part looks okay, but this part right here is what's kind of like throwing me off. Like, I don't know. Like, I feel like the more I sit here, the more I like it. Like, ooh, ooh. I feel real like Tina Turner-ish. What you gonna do, Ike? Huh? Like old school Beyonce. But I'm Kelly though. It's confusing me, y'all. The curl on the DrkChoco looks better in my opinion than the curl on this one, because I feel like you can see all of what's going on in this color, but the DrkChoco, it kind of, you know, it kind of hides any imperfections. This one, it kind of stands out in my opinion. I don't know. I had a wig like this. It was on my channel like when I first started, and I wore it, and I don't even know who made that wig or whatever, but the color was kind of similar. It was also a lace part wig, and I wore that wig all the time. Yeah, I don't know. Y'all tell me down below. I'm really on the fence with this color, y'all. I don't really know how I like it on me, but the DrkChoco, I like that one. But that is all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Janet Collection for sending me both these units. I really appreciate it. I will put some direct links for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.